In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Firebase Studio Projects files. We'll walk through getting into your Firebase project, enabling the right service, and then grabbing the files you need, all in a clear and safe way. Start by opening the Firebase console in your browser and signing into the project that contains your files. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Build section. This menu groups the tools you use to develop and manage app resources. From there, choose Storage. Storage is where your project's uploaded assets live, and it's the place you'll use to browse, preview, and download your files. If this is your first time using storage in this project, or if you're on a free tier that doesn't support it, Firebase will prompt you to upgrade. That's expected. Click Upgrade Project to continue. You'll see the available pricing options. Select a plan that fits your expected usage. The goal here is simply to unlock cloud storage access so you can reach your files. You're not changing your code base, just enabling the service for console access and downloads. During setup, you may see a quick start or magic wand style option in the interface. Go ahead and click that to let Firebase configure defaults for you. It helps finalize the storage setup, like confirming regions and linking services behind the scenes. After that, you'll be asked to choose a cloud billing account. Pick the billing account you want associated with this project. If you manage multiple projects, double check that you're linking the correct one. It's also a good moment to verify spending alerts or budgets in your billing settings so there are no surprises later. Once storage is enabled and billing is linked, you'll land in the storage browser. Here you can navigate through your bucket, open folders, and locate the exact files you want. To download, select a file, then use the Actions menu, often the three-dot menu, or the Download button at the top of the File Details pane. If you need several files, you can select them one by one and download each. Keep an eye on your project's storage rules and your user permissions. If you encounter an access error, it usually means your account doesn't have the required read permission or the rules are too restrictive for the console action. That's it. By opening the Firebase console, heading to Build, selecting Storage, upgrading the project, choosing a plan, using the quick setup, confirming your billing account, and then using the storage browser, you can confidently download your Firebase project files.